Hey everyone, it's Sue at She's Wired again, and sorry I took a little hiatus on my Wednesday videos. I managed to kind of wreck my back, and so I was out for a little while. So thank you to all those who let me know they were thinking of me, and I'm feeling much better now. And we're going to kick off our Wednesday video today by talking about how you can use Find My Phone on the computer to find your phone in your house, on the side of the road, on the walk back from the pool, or if you just really don't have an idea about where it is. So hang tight and join me as we get started on looking at iCloud and Find My Phone. If you need to find your iPhone, it's lost in the house, or you lost it at a friend's home, or walking from the pool back to the house, you need to get on a computer in order to use Find My Phone. So what I've done is I've launched Google Chrome. You can use Firefox, Safari, whatever works best for you. And you're going to want to go to iCloud.com. And when you get to iCloud.com, you're going to see the sign into iCloud, and you're going to use your Apple ID in order to find your phone. So it's going to be your email address plus some horrible password that we all struggle to find. So I'm going to type in my very long password. And once you get logged in, you might be prompted for two-step authentication. If you do have that on, make sure you allow, and then type in whatever number appears on the screen. Some of you may or may not have this turned on yet. All right. And then you can trust or not trust the browser. Usually trust it. And it's going to log you in to iCloud on your browser. And a lot of what you see is very similar to what you see on your iPhone or your iPad. One of the options is Find iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to start searching for all of my devices that I've logged into using my Apple ID. Now I have quite a few devices that I use. And so I'm going to move this to the map to show you. So this is, close to where I live. And this green dot is actually where one of my devices is located right now. Up at the top here is all devices. And there's this little arrow. Click on that arrow and you'll see a list of all your devices. Now I know I've got a lot, but what we're trying to do is actually just find my phone. And you can see it's actually the first item in the list right here. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to hone in on where it's located. And it actually found it on the map here. It shows over to the right here things I can do with the phone because it has been found. So if you think you might have just lost it in the house, you can click on Play Sound. So I'm going to click on that. And even if your phone is on vibrate, can you hear that? It's going to play a sound, and you should be able to locate it in your home. So once you find your phone, you'll be able to start using it again. But let's say, well, hey, it's not making a sound, you can't hear it, it could be dead. You can go ahead while you're here and put it into lost mode. What lost mode is it's a way to lock your phone and put a message on the screen to, give you a call if found. So that's kind of a nice thing if you think you know where it might be. If you're positive you can't find it, you can actually erase the phone. What that does is if somebody does find it, they'll be able to, if they turn it on, as soon as it hits the internet, that phone will immediately get wiped clean. If you've saved all your data in the iCloud, it's really no big deal to you, and your data is safe. So that's always something you can use if needed. So this is how you use Find My Phone. Play a sound to find it. Look on the map to see where it's actually at, or erase it, or use lost mode. So that's how you find your phone if you can't find it in the house, or you really just don't have an idea about where it is. Get on a computer and hunt it down, or at least try to make it make a noise, which is always a good thing if it's lost in your house. So do you have a question for She's Wired? If so, send an email to wecanhelp@sheswired.com. Each Wednesday, we're going to try to post a video that answers those pressing questions. Thank you for joining us. Take care.